Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a Reggex tutorial on freeCodeCamp. Find one or more criminals in a hunt. So in this exercise, we're going to apply what we learned about Reggex to solve an algorithm problem. So we have this Reggex here, Z plus, that matches the letter Z when it appears one or more times in a row. It will find matches in all the following strings. We see Z here, it will find a match here, it will find a match here. It'll find a match here, and then it will find a match here. But it does not find matches in the following string since there are no letter Z here. So there's no matches here. So it wants us to write a greedy regex that finds one or more criminals within a group of other people. A criminal is represented by the capital letter C. Yeah, so we're just finding one or more criminals. So we have to use a capital C for one, and then we wanted to do it more than one as much as possible, at least one until it ends. And that'll be all for this one. Thank you so much.